Hi again. Moving forward to the next video, we'll walk you through the Lighthouse ERP dummy dashboard layout, your home base for daily operations. 1. Dashboard, your home screen. This is the first screen you see after logging in. It gives you a quick snapshot of key business metrics like sales performance, inventory levels, or financial KPIs. You'll also find shortcuts to recent transactions, pending tasks, and real-time alerts so you never miss an update. Top navigation bar. At the top, you'll see a handy toolbar that includes a search bar to instantly find forms, reports, or transactions, access to your profile and settings, a help section, and even tools like a calculator or notepad. Side navigation panel. On the left, you'll find the main module menu, your gateway to finance, inventory, sales, purchase, production, HR, projects, reports, admin, and more. Just click to dive into the module you need. Workspace, the action zone. This is where the real work happens. Whether you're creating a sales invoice or editing a purchase order, everything opens here in tabs or forms with action buttons like save, edit, or export. You can also apply filters, search within lists, and switch between records seamlessly. Header, in the upper right corner. When you click on logo of the user, you might see contextual info like your company name, module in use, or even helpful tips. That's your dashboard at a glance. Coming up, we'll explore how to access and work with different ERP modules. If this helped, give it a like, follow Lighthouse Alchemy, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep exploring Lighthouse ERP one screen at a time.